Hey, it's me, Jen, your favorite founding member of the Roto-Rooter Rudies. This month brings us Nancy. Nancy writes, I just bought a new house, my first ever. Hooray, right? Nope. From day one, there have been so many unexpected problems. I checked Angie's list and decided to call Roto-Rooter because of their A rating. Roto-Rooter used a digital camera to show me exactly where the clog in the main was located. Nancy, I have a digital camera too. The things I use it for, like taking pictures of my dog, or azaleas, phones, fans, really just this area. They suggested that I use their hydrojet service to clean out what was probably a lot of roots. Leave it to Rooter to get rid of the roots. I have to admit that I was thrilled with the service I got from Roto-Rooter. Man, things you can count on in life: dogs, chocolate, and Roto-Rooter. And that's all from me, Jen, your favorite Roto-Rooter fan. Tune in next time to learn all things plumbing and water cleanup because you guessed it, they do both. See ya!